Hey there, young adventurers, welcome to the Winged Wonders. Are you ready to take flight and explore the amazing world of birds? Do spread your wings and let's dive in. Here are some fun facts about birds. All birds have feathers, but not all birds can fly. Penguins are a type of birds that cannot fly. They are excellent divers and swimmers. They use their feathers to swim. The largest bird in the world is ostrich. Birds are vertebrates, which means they have backbone. Birds eat insects, fruits, seeds, fish, and small mammals. There are over 10,000 species of birds in the world. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Birds have beaks, but they don't have any teeth. All female birds lay eggs and sit on the eggs to keep them warm. Birds are known for their songs, which are used for communication, territory defense, and attracting mates. Each species has its unique song. Birds often gather in flocks, which provides protection, food, and special interaction. Which fun fact about birds is your favorite? Subscribe for more fun learning videos.